In this chapter, I will present the basic memory systems and methods. Each method is explained in detail and with examples. We will start with the acronym method, which has two variants: the acronym mnemonic technique and the sentence method. Then, we move to the link system, where you can learn the chain link method and the story method. The following system is location method, where you will learn the Roman room technique and the journey technique. Next, you will discover the pack system and the most important techniques of this kind: the alphabet method, the number shape method, the number rhyme method, the body parts method, and the major system. Finally, you will find some other simple memory techniques that can help you to memorize more effectively. Now, let's start the presentation.